basically what we have right here is the NEBULA capsule, if you guys can see. So basically this is a mini projector that you can use, and it's literally the size of a soda can. So first thing first, let's actually open up and see what the inside looks like first. So basically when you guys first open it, you guys can see this is what it looks like right here for the packaging, and then this is what the product looks like. If you can see, it's super tiny and super small, literally the size of a soda can, which is pretty awesome. If we take a look at the top part of the actual product itself, you can see that there's all these buttons right here. So there's a play button, there's a volume up button, there's a volume down button. And if you can see, this is basically what it looks like when it's on with the light itself. So let's actually power it up and try it out and see how it works.
We haven't just updated the camera. We've completely rethought the entire camera experience.
So we just saw and heard the audio, you guys can see and hear that actually is pretty good. The audio is probably not the best because I'm using an old video. But you guys can see right here, this is basically what it looks like when you guys actually project it. You can play a lot of stuff on here. You guys can go on YouTube, Netflix, and some other stuff as well, if you guys can see on the test right here. And if you guys can see right here, they also provide you guys a remote that you can use to control the actual product itself. And then they also provide you guys a little baggie that you can carry the product with you guys wherever you guys want to. So it looks like it gave us a charging cable to plug it in. So you can see right here are the outlets where you can actually plug in the cable to charge it. But basically, as you can see from the back right there, that's what it's projecting right now. So you can actually project a pretty far distance, and it's actually still pretty clear. You just have to adjust the clarity of the actual device to
this Nebula capsule. This amazing device is an actual projector. So as you can see, it fits right in my hand. It's like, seems like it's small, right? But the power that this can do is absolutely insane. So first, before I show you exactly what it can do, just take a look at the button combinations here. This will be able to control the playback of whatever you're watching. Also, take note that there's an HDMI port here on the bottom of it. So yes, that means that you can put your gaming devices right to this and then project your gameplay right on the screen. So in the next clip, I'm going to show you how it looks right on this closet door. So here I've turned it on, and then you can see I'm going to just display it really quick. It has this really cool, nice little focus thing, so just focus it on there. So here you can just download whatever app you want, and you'll see how awesome it is. It has everything from Netflix to Hulu, Amazon Prime, all on this little projector here, and it does amazing. And just looking at the box here, you'll see everything that it kind of just has. Super easy to set up. Like I said, you can pretty much just use it on a bare wall. Definitely recommend you get like a nice little projection screen for it. But again, it's amazing quality, and you can download their app from the App Store, so you can download all the apps you want. Absolutely love it. So this is the Nebula Capsule Projector.
I'm barely getting by. Got a heavy load. It's trying to break my mind. Can you tell me what you see? Maybe help me up this wall that's been blocking me. Hey, hey, getting closer every day. Hey, hey, getting closer every day. I'm feeling like a ghost on the inside. There's an emptiness. Oh, can you tell me what you know? Calm my brain.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Never.